I've personally tested over 200 AI tools, so you don't have to. And today, I'm going to rank every AI tool worth using in 2026, because here's the truth. Most people are wasting time on tools that don't make them any money. Or worse, they're paying for stuff that free tools do better. I run multiple AI businesses where I'm in these tools every single day, so I know exactly what works and what's a waste of time. Whether you're just getting started or running a real business, this list is going to save you hundreds of hours and thousands of dollars. I'm ranking everything into 5 tiers. S tier means the best. You should be using this right now. A tier is great. Most people should use it. B tier is decent, has its place, but better options exist. C tier means I don't love it. Skip it unless you have a specific reason. For F tier means run away. These tools waste your time and don't deliver. And here's how I'm ranking them. It's based on one thing: how much you put in versus how much you get back. Time, money, energy, results. Stick around to the end, because I'm going to reveal the one AI tool I built specifically because nothing else solved this problem. Let's get into it. Let's start with the most popular one, ChatGPT. It was first to market. Everybody loves it. It's like the Kleenex of AI. But here's my honest take. ChatGPT is becoming the MySpace of AI. It's still useful. It's still powerful, but it's slowly being passed. The features that were revolutionary 2 years ago are now standard in every other tool. Don't get me wrong, ChatGPT is fine. It's still the most user-friendly. The voice mode is great. And if you're just getting started, it's a solid entry point. But for making money, there are better options. I'm putting ChatGPT in A tier. Now here's a tool that's eating ChatGPT's lunch: Claude. This is my #1 AI, hands down. S tier, top of the list. Here's why. Claude has the best writing of any AI on the market. So when I need to write scripts, emails, sales copy, content, or anything that needs to sound human, Claude is the only AI I use. The output is so good that people can't tell it's not me writing. But Claude isn't just about writing anymore. They've added 2 features that completely change the game. The first is called Claude Code. If you've ever wanted to build software, websites, or apps without learning to code, Claude Code makes it possible. You describe what you want, Claude codes it, tests it, deploys it. This is what's powering the no-code app revolution that's happening right now. The second feature is called Claude Cowork. This is Claude's answer to AI agents. You give it tasks, and it actually completes them. It can read your files, write reports, build presentations, research topics while you do other things. I use Claude for everything in my business: writing, strategy, research, building tools. If I had to pick just one AI to run my entire business with, it would be Claude. Top of S tier, no question. Next up is HeyGen. This one is an S tier, and I'm about to blow your mind. HeyGen creates AI avatars that look and sound exactly like you. You record yourself once. HeyGen captures your face, your voice, your mannerisms, your expressions. Then from that point forward, you can have your AI avatar say anything you want in any language without you ever having to film again. Now here's the wild part. The Jonathan you're watching right now, that's not really me. I'm at home with my family. This is my HeyGen avatar. I wrote the script. I gave it to my avatar. My avatar recorded the video, and you couldn't tell the difference until I just told you. This is the future of content creation. While other creators are spending 8 hours a day recording videos, I'm running multiple businesses, spending time with my family, and still posting more content than they are, because my avatar does the work for me. If you're a creator, a coach, or anyone who needs to make videos, HeyGen will change your life. Top 3 AI tool of 2026. If you're not using it, you're losing. Next up is NotebookLM, Google's research AI. This one is an A tier, and here's what makes it special. NotebookLM only works from sources you give it. You upload documents, you paste YouTube videos, you drop in articles, and it only answers questions based on those exact sources. No hallucinations, no made up facts. Every answer comes with a citation that shows exactly where it came from. This is incredible for learning new topics fast. You can upload 30 YouTube videos on any subject, ask one question, and get a complete synthesis. For business research, competitor analysis, or just learning new skills, NotebookLM is unbeatable. It's free too. If it could create deliverables like Claude does, it would be S tier. But for pure research, nothing beats it. Next up is Whisper. This is OpenAI's speech-to-text tool. If you create content or work with audio, this saves you hours every week. I use it to transcribe every podcast, every meeting, every voice note I record. Then I drop those transcripts into Claude and turn them into content. This combination alone gives me 10 times the output of most creators. Whisper is technically free and built into many tools. A tier, a workhorse you can't live without. Next up is one I'm putting in S tier, and I'll explain exactly why. It's called Maker AI. Here's what it does. There are millions of people right now trying to build software with AI. They have the tools. They have Claude Code. They have Lovable, but almost all of them are failing. Why? Because they don't know what to build. They start building something, spend weeks on it, and then realize nobody wants what they built. It's the biggest waste of time. Maker AI solves this problem completely. It's a 4-step system. Step 1, it helps you find a profitable software idea based on real market demand. Not a guess, real data. Step 2, it validates that idea before you waste any time building, so you know people will actually pay for it. Step 3, it gives you a complete build guide. Exactly what to build, what features to include, how to launch it. Step 4, it generates a 30-day marketing plan so you can actually sell what you build. In other words, Maker AI tells you what to build, proves people will pay for it, shows you how to build it, and tells you exactly how to sell it. If you've ever wanted to build your own software business with AI, this is the missing piece that nobody else is talking about. S tier? Easily, because no other tool on this list solves the biggest problem in the AI space, knowing what to build. Next up is Manus. This one is an S tier. Manus is the most powerful AI agent on the planet right now, and Meta just bought it for $2 billion, but you can still use it for free. Here's what makes it different. Manus doesn't just answer questions like ChatGPT or Claude. Manus actually does the work for you. You give it a task. It plans the steps. It executes them. It delivers the result. I've watched Manus research 50 competitors, write a complete analysis, build a comparison spreadsheet, and deliver it as a finished report while I was doing other things. This is what AI agents are supposed to be. Tools that do the work, not just talk about it. Manus has a generous free tier. 300 credits a day. Most people will never even hit that limit. Now let me move to the opposite end of the tier list, Apple Intelligence. This one is an F tier. Apple promised us a new generation of AI. What we got was Siri with extra steps. It's slow. It misunderstands you constantly. It can't do half of what every other AI does. And it's locked into the Apple ecosystem, so you can't even use better tools unless you switch devices. I gave up on Apple Intelligence. I don't recommend touching it for any business purpose. It might get better when they integrate with another model, but right now, it's the worst AI experience. Next up is Gemini, Google's AI assistant, A tier. And honestly, it's about to be bigger than people think. Here's why Gemini is special. Google integrated it into everything you already use. Gmail, Google Docs, Google Calendar, YouTube, Chrome. When you see that little sparkle icon in any Google product, that's Gemini. For business users, this is huge. You don't have to switch tabs. You don't have to copy and paste. Gemini is already where you are. Plus, Gemini has access to YouTube in a way no other AI does. You can drop any YouTube link and ask Gemini to summarize it, extract key points, or pull specific information. Other AIs can't do that. Is Gemini as good as Claude? Not yet, but Google has unlimited money, unlimited data, and unlimited reach. It's gonna keep getting better. Next up is Lovable, A tier. Lovable is a no-code app builder. You describe what you want, it builds the app, it gives you a live link. I've watched people build apps that earn $5,000 a month using Lovable. No coding required, just describe what you want, and the AI builds it. Now here's the truth. Lovable used to be the best in this space, but Claude Code has caught up and arguably surpassed it. Still, Lovable is the easiest way to build apps for non-technical people. If you're brand new to AI app building, start with Lovable. If you want more power, move to Claude Code, a solid tool that does one thing well. Now let me introduce you to a tool most people have never heard of, and it's about to be S tier. It's called Freedom Threads. Here's the problem this tool solves. Everybody wants to go viral on social media, but almost nobody does. Why? Because they don't know what content actually works. They post random ideas. They guess at hooks. They write captions that nobody reads. And then they wonder why their posts aren't taking off. Freedom Threads fixes this completely. Here's what it does. It analyzes viral content in your niche. It identifies the exact hooks, formats, and patterns that are working right now. Then it writes complete viral posts for you with images ready to publish every single day. So instead of you trying to figure out what to post, the AI does it for you. And it's based on proven patterns from posts that are already going viral. This is how creators are getting 10 times more engagement without working any harder. If you've ever struggled to come up with content ideas or wondered why your posts aren't getting views, Freedom Threads solves that problem. S tier. There's nothing else like it. In the market right now, most AI tools help you write content. Freedom Threads make sure that content actually performs. That's a massive difference. Now let's get into B-tier tools. These are decent. They have their place, but better options exist. First up is Notion, B-tier. Notion has been my favorite organization tool for years. It's where I store everything: documents, project plans, client notes, team workflows. Notion has AI built in now, which is decent, but it's not going to replace Claude or ChatGPT for any serious AI work. Here's where Notion shines. It's the long-term memory for all your AI tools. When you save everything in Notion, you can plug it into other AIs, and they instantly have context. So Notion isn't going to make you money directly, but it organizes your business in a way that makes every other AI 10 times more powerful. B tier for direct money making, but essential infrastructure. Next up is Make.com, B tier. Make.com is an automation platform. It connects different apps and automates workflows between them. For example, when a new lead comes in, Make.com can automatically add them to your CRM, send them an email, notify your sales team in Slack, and book them on your calendar without you touching anything. This is incredibly powerful. But here's the truth. Most people get overwhelmed trying to set it up. Interface is technical, the workflows can get complicated, and there's a learning curve. If you're willing to put in the time, Make.com will save you hundreds of hours. If you're not technical, you might struggle. Great tool, but not for everyone. Next up is 11 Labs, B tier. 11 Labs creates AI voice clones. You record yourself reading a script. 11 Labs analyzes your voice, then you can type anything and have your voice say it. I use this to clone my voice for my videos, so when my HeyGen avatar speaks, it sounds exactly like me. 11 Labs is incredible technology. The quality is the best in the market, but here's why I'm putting it in B tier. For most people, voice cloning isn't necessary. Unless you're creating videos at scale or building audio products, you don't need this. It's a power tool for a specific use case. If you're a content creator or making podcasts, it's an A tier tool for you. For everyone else, it's a cool toy. B tier overall. Next up is Suno. This one is in B tier too. Suno creates AI music. You describe the song you want. Suno generates it, complete with vocals, melody, and production. I love this tool. I use Suno to create music for my Instagram videos. I even use it to make custom songs for my family. Now, is it gonna make you money? Probably not directly, unless you're in the music space. But here's the thing, custom music makes your content stand out from everyone else. When other creators are using stock music, you've got an original song in every video. That's a brand advantage. B tier for direct income, but genuinely fun and useful. I use it constantly. Now let's get into C tier, tools I don't love. You'll see why. First is Midjourney. C tier. I know this is going to upset people. Midjourney was the best AI image tool for the longest time. The quality was insane. The art was beautiful. But here's the problem. Google's Nano Banana is now free. It's just as good. It's faster, and it works through Gemini, which you already have access to. Midjourney costs money. The interface still uses Discord, which is annoying, and the quality gap between paid Midjourney and free Nano Banana is basically zero now. For most people, there's no reason to pay for Midjourney anymore. It used to be S tier 2 years ago. Now it's been passed by free tools. Next up is Perplexity. C tier. Don't get me wrong. Perplexity is a solid AI search tool. It searches the web and gives you AI-powered answers with citations, but here's the issue. Claude and ChatGPT now do this too. So why use a separate tool when your main AI can do it? Perplexity also has a $200 a month plan called Perplexity Computer. It's powerful, but Manus does the same thing for free. So Perplexity is stuck in the middle. It's not bad. It's just not necessary. Skip it unless you have a specific use case. Last one in F tier, Meta AI. Meta AI is straight F tier. Meta has all the data in the world. Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, billions of users. You'd think they'd have the best AI. They don't. Meta AI is built into all their apps, but every time I've tried to use it, it's been slow, basic, and limited. It can answer questions, it can generate images, but every single feature is done better by another tool. The only thing Meta AI has going for it is convenience. It's right there in Instagram and Facebook, but that's not a good enough reason to use a worse AI. Avoid it for business use, just like Apple Intelligence. Both of these big tech AIs are way behind everyone else. Now let me give you the full tier list recap. S tier, the tools you should be using right now. Claude, HeyGen, Maker AI, Freedom Threads, Manus. These 5 tools alone can run an entire business. A tier, great tools you should consider. ChatGPT, NotebookLM, Whisper, Gemini, Lovable. B tier, useful but not essential for everyone. Notion, Make.com, 11 Labs, Suno. C tier, skip these unless you have a specific reason. Midjourney, Perplexity. F tier, Runaway, Apple Intelligence, Meta AI. That's the list. 16 tools ranked based on real use, real results, and real money. Here's what I want you to understand. The tools are not the answer. I just gave you 16 AI tools ranked from best to worst. Most people are gonna watch this video, get excited, sign up for a bunch of these tools, and never make a dollar with them. Why? Because the tools are only as valuable as what you do with them. Knowing what to build is the bottleneck. Knowing what content to create is the bottleneck. Knowing what business to start is the bottleneck. The tools are easy. The strategy is hard. That's why I built Maker AI. If you want to actually build your own software using AI by this weekend, Maker AI is the fastest path there. It tells you exactly what to build. It validates your idea before you start. It gives you the complete build guide, and it shows you how to launch it. In 4 steps, this weekend, you can have a real software business that you built with AI. If that's something you want, comment Maker below or click the link in the description. I'll send you everything you need to get started. And one more thing, if you want to learn how to be the director of all these AI tools instead of just the user, follow me on this channel. That's where I share what's actually working in the real world, not theory, not hype, real results. The world is splitting in 2 right now. People who use AI as a tool and people who use AI to build empires. You get to choose which side you're on. Choose wisely. I'll see you in the next one.